Hi, welcome to my channel. If you happen to be just browsing and you run into my channel, please like and subscribe. And to all Fergie's gang, welcome back. Come on in. Let's make some Scottish potato cake today. And here is my ingredients. So it's just sweet butter, potato, all-purpose flour, and salt. I'm probably gonna need just a little bit of oil. All right, so I'll see you guys in a minute. So guys, after boiling the potato, you drained it and then you replace back the pot on the stove top, and under low heat, just let it completely dry the water out. Then you add 2 tablespoons of butter. So guys, this is about, I boiled 3 potato, weight 1.5 pounds. So this is about 1 1/3 of the mashed potato I'm using, with 1.5 cup of flour. Okay guys, I don't think I'm going to use any oil. On medium-low heat, we're going to cook these on each side for 3 minutes. So my FK gang, I'm here to present my Scottish potato cakes. Guys, you can have these for breakfast. You have to have them warm. Remember, who can't go to Scotland? Fergie takes Scotland to you. All right? As you know, I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. Today's scripture is coming from Proverbs 16, verse 3. Commit thy works unto the Lord, and thy thoughts shall be established. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, how beautiful it is to stay silent when someone expects you to be enraged. Stay silent. Remember, Fergie loves you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.